Hey guys, now you can make an amazing e-commerce store in just 10 minutes like this, and that's too without having any kind of design or programming skills, right? I'm not kidding guys, I mean it, right? You can add multiple category like this, like different category you can add from your admin panel, and under each category you can add multiple products, and you can add both variable and simple product. And what do I mean by variable products, right? For an example, if I just give a click on this particular product, you can see this is a variable product, right? Like you can add multiple different images for different category, and also you can select different variables. For an example, over here you can see if you just give a click on a red color, the price is $520 and the stock quantity is 10, and as soon as you change the color like black color, the price is also changing, right? Have you noticed it? So this is a variable product that for the different variable you are charging different price. No, any kind of product and services, if you have different variable for that particular product, so you can add from your admin panel, and the price also changing, right? And you can add your description and also different custom parameters and its value. For an example, the length of the saree is 5.5 meter. The material of this particular product is pure silk, right? So like this you can add different custom parameters and its value, right? So like this you can make an amazing e-commerce store, and you can sell your product and services through your e-commerce website, right? And you will have a professional admin panel dashboard from where you can manage each and everything about your business. So guys, tell me, isn't it amazingly insane? In just 10 minutes you are making an e-commerce website, and that's to full-fledged e-commerce store, right? So if it is yes, then please smash the like button, everybody, come on. Alright, now it's time to create an e-commerce store, right? So let's get started. Now in order to create an e-commerce store, just go to wappbuddy.com, wappbuddy.com, and hit your enter button, right? And you'll see an interface like this. Now in order to create an e-commerce store, you need to have an account with this platform, right? So just give a click on a register button, and it will ask you to fill all the basic information like your name, store name, email address, password, and the confirm password, right? After filling all the details, you need to just give a click on a register button, right? Once your account is created, now you need to give a click on sign in button. Since I already have an account, so I'll put my email address, my user ID and password. And hit the login button, right? Now finally successfully I am logged into my e-commerce store admin panel dashboard, right? And from here I can show you each and everything in detail in a step-by-step process, that how we can manage our e-commerce store, how to add product, how to add payment gateway, how to add different images of the product, description, variable product, fixed product, quantity for the product, stock management, each and everything we can manage under one single admin panel very easily, right? So please stay tuned till the end of this video, and I'm gonna explore each and everything for you guys, right? Now first of all, we need to give a click on store settings. Do you see on the extreme left hand side down corner on the left hand side? Just give a click on store settings, and from here we can change the color of the theme, the color of the design, the color of our e-commerce store, and we can manage each and everything from here, just one click, right? For an example, you want to change the color of your store to purple color, right? So just give a click on purple color and give a click on save changes, and your e-commerce store color will be changed, right? Just give a click on refresh button. You can see the color has been changed from green to purple color, right? Now for an example, you want to change the different design or color, for an example the red one, right? So just give a click on save changes, and instantly within 1 second the changes will happen on your e-commerce store. You can see this, right? Let me keep it as default as of now, and we can change later as well if we want, right? Now from here we will see how we can set up our e-commerce store in a step-by-step process, right? Now the first option is the theme settings, right? So just give a click on theme settings, and already I have shown you how you can change the color, how you can change the design of your e-commerce store. The second option is store settings. So just give a click on store settings. You can change the store logo, invoice logo, the logo that you want to be printed on your invoice that you will put on the packaging of your product, right? And over here you can put your store name, you can put your admin email, and you can put your custom domain as well, like I have added fashioncart.xyz, right? So you can also put your own domain name, right? You can put your subdomain, you can put your store link, and each and everything, right? So right now you can see I have added my own domain name over here. So you can add your custom domain as well, right? And after that you can put any tagline if you have about your product or your business. You can put your business address, city, your state, your zip code, your country. You can make for any country. You belong to India, you belong to United States, you Japan, doesn't matter where you are. You can make your e-commerce store from anywhere in this world, right? And also one more interesting thing, if you want to provide an application to your customer for your e-commerce store, the progressive web application system is also available. Like from the browser, your customer can install the application on their device, on their mobile phone, so that they can quickly access to the store, right? They no need to search every time on the Google to find out your store. They no need to type your domain manually on your on the Google search bar, right? They can simply save your store link on their device through this PWA, progressive web application system, and you can change the color of the application from here, and the AF theme color you can change from here. Whatever you want you can change. And later if you want to add your Google Analytics and Pixel, Facebook Pixel for the marketing purpose, you can add that as well. If you want to add custom JS from here, you can add that as well. If you have any meta keywords, you can add that. Meta description for the search engine purpose, for SEO purpose, you can use for your store. And in the footer section you can put your Instagram handle, Twitter handle, YouTube handle, and the copyright footer section you can add as well. After adding all the details, all the information about your e-commerce store, just give a click on save changes and it will automatically be saved on your e-commerce store. Now the third option we have is brand settings. So just give a click on brand settings. Again you have dark logo, light logo, and your store fav icon that you can see. This is your fav icon, right? So you can add your title text, footer text, and the date format, in which format you want your date to be highlighted on your store, and time format you can select from here. You can enable or disable RTL, right? And your theme customizer, like primary color settings, you can enable and disable from here, right? And sidebar setting, transparent layout, you can turn it on or turn it off whenever you want. If you want to keep it on dark layout or light mode, you can select that as per as your choice, right? After that we have payment settings, and from the payment settings you can select your currency, like United States USD, Indian INR, or any currency, any country you belong to. You can select your own currency over here, and you can put the symbol of your currency, right? And after that you can select the white space or which space, pre or post, whatever you want. And a few other options are also available. If you want, you can check that. Also you have cash on delivery option, you have Telegram integration and WhatsApp integration as well. Your customer can directly place the order on your WhatsApp as well, so that you get all the details about that particular product or service, the price and the discount price, the location where that product should be delivered. Each and everything you will get on your WhatsApp in just one click. Apart from that, you have different 10 plus different payment gateway like Stripe, PayPal, Paystex, and you have Razorpay, you have Flutterwave, you have Razorpay, you have Paytm, Mobile, Skrill, CoinGate, Payment Mall, Payment Wall, and many more. There are more than 14 payment gateways are available. So doesn't matter in which country you are, most popular payment gateways are available over here. So you can select any one of them and you can integrate your payment gateway on your website in order to collect the payment into your bank account. Now next option we have email settings. You can put all the details over here. and you can manage your emails, like receiving orders and all the details of your customer you can manage from here. After that we have WhatsApp mail settings, so you can select what are the parameters that you want to add whenever customer will send an order to your WhatsApp, right? So you can receive each and everything. You can use all this special character from here, the variable, all the details given over here. So you can just copy and paste over here, and you can just give a click on save changes, and that will automatically be done. After that we have pixel settings. So if you are using a Facebook pixel, so you can add over here for the marketing purpose. And this is how you can set up your stores. Right now we will move on to the shop section, and over here we can see how we can add a new product, and we can manage each and everything from here. You can see these are the products that you have added into your e-commerce store. I have added 10 to 15 products just to show you guys for the demo purpose. Now if you want to add a new product, you just give a click on create now button, and you can add the product. Right, if you want to edit any particular product, for an example, this is a particular product that I want to add. I want to edit from the admin panel. Just give a click on edit pencil icon, and if you want to change the name of the product, if you want to change the category of the product, you can select different category over here. You can see, so if you want to select any particular category, so you can select that. So this is completely up to you. You can manage your category, subcategory. You can put SKU number over here. If you have any tax, so you can put over here GST if you are from India, or any VAT or tax you have, depending upon the country you belong to. You are doing business in which country, so you can select your tax if you have. That is an optional. If you have any downloadable products, so you can attach the downloadable file over here as soon as your customer make the payment. So the downloadable file will be available into the admin panel, and they can download the downloadable file after making the payment. Right, after that you have different custom field as per as your products and business category. You can select your different variable and custom value. Right, and after that you have product variants. For an example, you have one product in different color. For an example, you are selling a t-shirt, it has 3 different variant. Right, so you have different price for different size and different color, so you can do that as well from here. If you want to display the product, you can enable it or you can disable it. If you want to enable the variant of the product, so you can enable it, or else you can just disable it as per as your need. After that you have product images, so you can upload as many images as you want from here. So you can just drag and drop from your system, you can upload the images. After that you have description of your product. You can write over here about your product and service or whatever you are selling. After adding all the details, you just give a click on update button, and your product or service, whatever you have, that will be updated on your e-commerce store. This is how you can add a new product or edit an existing product, delete an product, change something on your product, change the images, price, description, adding new variant, stock quantity, each and everything you can do from the admin panel within just few clicks. Right, after that you have product category on the left hand side, as you can see, and over here I have added 5 to 6 different category. You can add as many category as you want. If you want to add a new category, you just give a click on create button and write down the product category name and give a click on save button. Right, that category will be added into your e-commerce store. After that you have product text, and after that, and over here you can select the type of text you have. If you want to add a new text category, then you can add a new text category from here. The text name and the percentage of the text that you want to collect from your customer, you can add over here and just save changes. Right, after that you have product coupon. So if you want to offer something, certain amount of discount, like any coupon code, like I have added FR20. If somebody put FR20, so they will get 20% discount on my product. Right, so this is how you can also add your own coupon code, and from here you can add as many coupons as you want, and you can manage from here easily. After that you have shippings, and you can add different shippings, country wise, state wise, city wise, location wise, and the different price for different location and different areas. You have in your city, in your country. So you can decide that, and as far as that, you can create as many shipping location as you have. You can enter the shipping name and you can save changes. That's it, right? If you want to edit something, for an example, I want to edit this shipping, right? So I want to just change the name and I just give a click on update and it will be updated very easily. This is the location. Second option is the shipping, right? So type of shippings, like normal delivery, express delivery, you can decide how much price you want to charge. Like for an example, normal delivery I'm charging $40, for express delivery $70. So this is what exactly what exactly you want, right? In which city, in which state, or in which country you are selling your product. Based upon that, the different price you can set as per as your need. After that, you have next option is customers, right? And from here you can see how many customers you have and all the details about the customer. Just give a click on view button and you can see all the details of that particular customers, how many orders he has placed and on which date, and the invoice number, order number, each and everything you can track from one single admin panel dashboard, right? So this is how you can manage your e-commerce store. And once all the setup is done, now this is how your e-commerce store would look like, and you can manage each and everything about this e-commerce store from your single admin panel dashboard, right? You can see the total number of product, you can see the cart, the analytics, the number of product, recent orders, you can see total sales, total orders, total number of product, each and everything you can manage from here within just one click without having any kind of technical knowledge and skills. You don't need to understand anything about design, anything about programming language, anything about coding, nothing, not at all. I already told you before, guys, it literally takes only 10 to 15 minutes. That's it, you are done, right? You can keep adding as many product as you want depending upon the packages that you are buying, and you can manage each and everything from your admin panel. It is super simple and super easy. You don't need to understand anything about technology, guys. So I hope you liked it, and if you enjoyed this video, you may like, consider, share and subscribe. And if you want more videos and like this on our YouTube channel, then you may consider like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so that whenever we upload a new video, you'll get notification from us. All right, thank you so much, guys, for watching this video, and I'll see you with another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.